Hey warrior, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Rudy, and this channel is all about building a business that actually holds you instead of one that holds you hostage. Today, we're talking about something that changed absolutely everything for me, my calm business tech stack. Let's start with the truth nobody wants to say out loud. You don't need more hustle. You need a system that holds you up. I spent years thinking the answer to a stalling business was to push harder, wake up earlier, post more, grind till I collapsed. And all that got me was exhausted, resentful, and honestly, worse results, not better ones. Here's what I know now. Stability is a form of healing. When your business runs on chaos, your nervous system never gets a break. You're in a low grade fight or flight all day, every day, because nothing is predictable. And warrior, your business cannot grow past what your nervous system can tolerate. If chaos is your baseline, chaos is what your business will keep handing you. So today I'm walking you through my exact calm business tech stack, the beginner-friendly automations that let my business run itself, even on the weeks my life falls apart. No tech overwhelm, no 17 apps, just 4 categories doing all the heavy lifting. So let's get into it. Category 1, email and automation. This is the backbone of everything. Your email platform should be doing 3 things automatically: tagging subscribers based on what they click or download, delivering your freebie the instant someone opts in, and running a welcome sequence that introduces you, builds trust, and gently moves people towards your offers, all without you lifting a finger. So here's how I set mine up. When someone downloads my Connection to Income Starter Pack, they get tagged automatically. And that tag triggers a welcome sequence. 5 emails over 2 weeks introducing who I am, what I believe, and how I can help them. By the time that sequence ends, they know me, they trust me, and I did absolutely nothing manual to make that happen. If you're still manually sending your freebie every time someone signs up, warrior, that ends today. Go set up that automation this week. It will save you hours a month. And more importantly, it means nobody falls through the cracks because you were busy with your actual life. Category number 2, content scheduling. Here's where minimum effective marketing comes in. And I want you to really hear this because it's going to give you permission to stop doing so much. You do not need to post every single day, everywhere to grow your business. You need one strong piece of core content a week, repurposed with intention. So here's my exact workflow. I create one YouTube video a week, like the one you're watching right now, for example. And that video becomes a blog post expanded further. It becomes 3 to 5 stories, and it becomes a handful of social posts. It becomes the foundation of my weekly email, one piece of content sliced 7 ways, scheduled a week in advance, so I'm never scrambling. This is evergreen visibility. This is long-term. This is sustainable. And it is so much calmer than panicking every morning trying to figure out what to post. Category 3, your business dashboard. You do not need a complicated system here. Warrior, you just need one simple dashboard. Could be a spreadsheet, a Notion page, Trello, whatever works for you. And you're tracking just 4 numbers: your leads, your sales, your top performing content, and your email open rate. That's it. 4 numbers. Check it once a week on a set day. I like to check mine every Friday morning with my coffee, and let that be enough. You do not need to obsessively refresh your numbers 17 times a day. That's anxiety dressed up as productivity, and it's costing you your peace for zero extra benefit. Category 4, delivery automation. This ties everything together. Every offer you have, your freebie, your low ticket products, your paid programs should have an automated delivery and follow up sequence. Someone buys, they get an instant thank you and instruction. And then a few days later, they get an automated check in. Did you get everything okay? This isn't just convenient for you. It makes your customers feel genuinely cared for without you having to remember to do it manually every single time. Now, let's talk about systems for scaling simply, because this is where a lot of solo entrepreneurs get it wrong. When you're ready to grow a new offer, a new program, more customers, the instinct is often to add more tools, more manual touch points, more complexity. Resist that instinct, warrior. Before you launch anything new, ask yourself, does this add manual work I'll have to do every single time? If the answer is yes, redesign it before you launch. Growth should simplify your week, not complicate it. I also want to give you a quick systems audit you can do today, right now, on your own business. Grab a notebook or open your notes app and answer these 4 questions. What am I doing manually that happens more than once a week? What task would I be embarrassed to admit I'm still doing by hand? Where are people falling through the cracks in my follow-up? And what's one process I could write down today, just the steps? That's your SOP. So I'm not reinventing it next month. You don't need a business degree to write an SOP, warrior. You need one document and the willingness to write down what you already do and how you do it. Future you will thank present you. I want to leave you with this. Building a calm business stack isn't about being lazy or cutting corners. It's about being smart with the one resource none of us can get back, our energy. You are allowed to build something big and protect your peace. Those two things are not in competition. In fact, the peace is often what makes the big sustainable in the first place. If this resonated with you, warrior, I want you to do 3 things. First, drop a comment and tell me which system you're building first. I read every single one and I want to celebrate it with you. Second, grab the free Calm Business Systems Kit linked below. It walks you through everything we just covered step by step so you can actually implement this instead of just watching and forgetting. And third, if you're ready to go even deeper, I'm hosting a free live training on August 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern called Automate Your Income Without Burnout, where we're building this out together in real time. So save your seat. The link is below for that too. Come join us inside the Empower Collective on Skool, where this is actually the kind of work we do together every single week. And if you haven't grabbed the Warrior Moms Playbook yet, that's linked below too. It's the roadmap I wish someone had handed me years ago. That's it for today, warrior. Go build something that holds you. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, reemerge, rise, and reign, warrior, because warriors do it better.